How to install measuring instrument. In order to measure electricity power consumption, have to measure voltage and current. First, to measure current, install clamp at objectives cables. Here, we have to think about where to measure current, direct on the objectives cables or CT cables. In case of the clamp, can fit with cables or bus bar without any problem. Install and measure. But if it is not possible to install at cables because of clamp radius is too smaller than cable out diameter, have to install at CT cables. Now this picture shows how to install at CT cables. When you install clamp for current measuring, don't need black out the system, but have to be careful to don't touch the exposed part and recommend to wear glove for your safety. It is possible to install at least 2 places inside the distribution board. The one is a part of connection to the meter to locate it at upper side, and another possibility is a part of connection to OCR to locate it at lower side of front door. Now let's connect the current clamp. Have plug in at measuring instrument by other end of clamp and start to connect from left-hand side of clamp in first phase, C1, and the others, second and third phase, are the same way. In general, the phase of current named I1, I2, I3, or C1, C2, and C3 as you see in the picture. If you change this order when you connect current clamp, possible to get wrong information. Please be careful, don't change this order when you connect current clamp. Now, let's connect the voltage on the measuring instrument. At this moment, it is very important to connect the voltage system connected at 3P4W. You can option to connect voltage to instrument. The one is connected to spare breaker if possible. If not, have to connect at PT, power transducer. When you connect these cables, connect first green cable to ground or neutral, and the others should connect same as current clamp connection. Finally, plug in other end of cables to instrument. The cable tag will show you RSTN, ABCN, or V1, V2, V3 on the cables. This photo is another option to connect the current clamp to meter input. After finish all necessary cable connection, we'll get some information on display. Except you connect the clamp and voltage cables on main cables. You must correct all factor for CT and PT values. First of all, have to compare all data on the window of instrument with actual value on distribution panel. If there is a value which are not match each other, have compensation by adjust factor, especially current and voltage. Please refer operation manual. This measuring instrument is one of an example. You can apply this process with different model as same. Thank you.